Hello guys, good morning. Today unfortunately I did not vlog anything given that my wife is not well. I got the message from her, sorry. Actually she is suffering from fever and unfortunately I am stuck in office. That too way far away from her. So I was a bit worried about her, how things should evolve or how she'll feel better. Fortunately, one of my family members visited her yesterday and they plan to stay with her. I'll pause for a moment. I'm so sorry. So, three girls were coming all the way from the ahead, so I did not wanted to record them and make them uncomfortable. So, what I was saying is like, because of her, I did not feel like vlogging anything, and then all of a sudden I thought I'm doing it just for my personal documentation. So, why not record each and every other moment? So, today is 12th of August. Now it is 8:24 and I'm heading towards office now. I have already covered 1.09 kilometers. So from today I'll again start the walking part. Today I wanted to reach office early. I don't know at what time I'll start back to my PG. But at least if I go to office I'll learn something new. I'll devote some time for my personal learning as well, given that most of the work is already done for this particular sprint. So I'm planning to learn something new and implement something new as well. So let's see how the day unfolds. I'll keep you guys posted, and you might be familiar with this particular scene from my old videos as well. I think it should take next 15-20 minutes for me to reach the office. Chalo, see you guys. Now it's 8:30 and I've reached the Knowledge Park, and the weather looks like it's gonna rain. Thank you so much Indradev ji, for this rains here. Yesterday it felt like there won't be any more rain. It was very sunny. I think something wrong with this particular vehicle. Let's see. I hope this does not create jam. I'm pretty much sure it will rain, but nevertheless I'll reach office in next 10 minutes. I hope it doesn't start raining right away. Okay, they were using this vehicle to tow the other electric vehicle. Look at the weather, guys. It's so good. इस वेदर में बस एक गाड़ी हो और घूमता रहूं. That's it. Unfortunately, it doesn't work the same way. काम ना करो तो fuel expense कहाँ से bear करोगे? Okay, I think that's pretty much it. ये same boring रास्ते. Again, I have reached Madhapur traffic police station, which is very near to my office. I'm so happy with the weather today, yaar. It's not sunny at all. Now it's 8:35 and I have reached office. And for the new viewers, I am not working with Nilofer. It's in Orbit. That is the office space. Oh, one small update. I've got this new, I don't know what do we call it. ठीक है, ये वाला मुझे नया मिला है. Just to hang the ID card. And that's the Nilofer, the other side, and that's my office. guys, I finally reached office. Now it's 8:48 and I have already started the work. I think that's it for the office. No one is there in office yet. Everyone will come at least by 10 or 10:30. Guys, it's 4:22 and I'm leaving from office now. That's the 4th floor. चलो ये वाला लिफ्ट आने वाला है. I'll go down now. This area looks really good. पूरा फोटोजेनिक एरिया है. आपको याद होगा कुछ दिन पहले मैं कुछ वीडियोस बना रहा था जहाँ मैं बताया था कि इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में बहुत सारे आउटलेट्स हैं. आउटलेट्स इन द सेंस छोटे मोटे. ये है प्रॉब्लम यहाँ का. हाँ, तो मैं जैसे बता रहा था बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे फूड वेंडर्स हैं इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में. अभी तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया इसलिए मोस्ट ऑफ दम हैव लेफ्ट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. पर यूजुअली वो रहते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में. Now it will be a challenge for me to pass to the other side or cross to the other side. Let's see कैसे पार करता हूँ. आप देखोगे तो ये और एक आउटलेट है. These are the people because of which we face the problem. This is the dinner looks like for today. इसके बाद का नेक्स्ट फिल्म आप देखोगे भुवनेश्वर के बस स्टैंड का, वेयर आई स्टेड देयर टू वर्क फॉर फ्यू आवर्स एंड देन enjoyed the lunch. I was just continuing the work and then I found one interesting and a beautiful statue. Can you see? Let the lady pass through. Yeah. That's our Ganesh ji. It's looking so good. हे भगवान, आज का दिन मेरा अच्छा जाए. सो फार बहुत अच्छा गया है. बस ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू होता रहा. I did not face a single issue with respect to internet or battery or anything as such till now. I got very good breakfast in the morning. That was a best start for this day, for today. I hope I won't have any problems with the bus as well. Let's see how it goes. Ganpati Bappa Moria. This was an initiative by the previous government of Odisha, BJD Sarkar. I think this is one of the best ones. That's how clean the entire area looks like.